Hey guys, Jesse here at Betts. I want to go over my favorite soft plastic for spring fishing. The Z-Man Jerk Shad in the 4-inch size is my favorite. White has been a stable color for a very long time. If there's a lot of small glass minnows in the area or any small fry bait, that white stands out really good, both in clear and dark water. The right stuff is just an overall good color for clear and dark water. It kind of resembles more of a crustacean style, so I like having that in the boat. And of course, Redfish Toad, I've been using this since the very beginning, and it's good pretty much across the board. No matter what conditions you're fishing, that bait's gonna catch you some fish. If you guys are looking for any of these colors of Z-Man Jerk Shads, come on into Betts Fishing Center and we'll get you rigged up.